So here is the example working with the input box and text boxes. So here what will be the thing is how to get the status whether it is enabled or disabled, true or false, how to find how many input boxes are there present in the present page, and how to provide the value into the text box. So these are the 3 points what I have covered in this section. So let me show you. So here I am importing as usual. These are the normal importing drivers from importing WebDriver. selenium.webdriver. I have imported .by, and here are the drivers of the Chrome URL, and here is what is on the page I have opened it normally, which contains form. Okay, and here are the inputs to find elements, text fields. Before that I will run it and show you. That will be the better way. Here this page will open. It contains form. So now here this particular how to insert this value to the text boxes, that is what we are supposed to learn. Here first thing is I have given you the details here. Now here first is how to find how many inputs are present in the web page. So here you can see I have given a find element by class name. I have taken a by this one, taken a text field. Here after that it prints the how many text boxes. You can see totally there are 6 text boxes in this particular thing. This is finished, and here status find displayed or not, whether it will show here displayed or not. It is true. Now say that I have taken it this particular by ID. So status of both the this one, whether it is displayed and enabled or not. So it is good. I have only shown you only one text box, which is a field one. So now this is okay, and here I have given the driver result dot text value, and the value is 3. This is how normally I have proceeded, and if any changes are there, let me know, sir. Thank you.